Yeah, she said she was going to get some.
So please welcome this unique D-Day formation in Dublin. The aircraft supporting the greatest armada in the history of the world, the largest in very sport background, and it's an important milestone in the history of British aviation.
Them choice, but you'll see him for what he is. What did you just do then? I like his mullet. You like his mullet? You're going to grow one, Charlie. Cool, isn't it?
Hey? Yeah.
That's not very good.
Now the fight of
Tall out of mine.
aviation. In what is actually a very, very historic aircraft. Design has been successful, goes back to the late 1940s when Curtis Pitt painted a competition aircraft, and of course it did dominate the competition world right through the 50s, 60s.
They snuck up, didn't they?
Team arrived in our world famous Diamond 9 training, our famous red, white and blue. We have three types of shows, full, flat and rolling, but the red one is pulling up and the team are staying in 9, moving into 9 hours for the full show. They arrive at approximately 400 miles per hour and reach a height of over 5,500 feet before the top of the loop. And as they make their way down, you can see they've now transitioned from our Diamond 9 into 9 arrows. Bringing the team to the left this year is a new team leader, a new red one for the 2024 season. It's squad leader John Bond, known as Bundy. Bundy has been in the team for 5 years previously. He took a year off before coming back to be the team leader for 2000. On the right of red one is red 2, that's squad leader Chris McCann, known as Queenie. He's called Queenie because he was cleaned off from training directly to be an
Tribute one.
in the middle of that right wing. Uppermost is red 4. That's like a test on. In the front row on the far left-hand side is red 5. That's by the 10th George Hobday. George is all around the rest formation as red 1 brings them in. A little bit left in the red, white and blue come on at the front section. Dropping dynamic flying. But right now is a manoeuvre not seen for over 20 years. It's the 5.